shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kamerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for May 13th, 2020. We're going to start with the SPY. We got a new level yesterday, by the way. Yeah, new dark pool level. 292.67, about almost 7 million. So right now we're below 3 big levels, recent levels. All right, that's really key. But we had massive prints come in yesterday, like the biggest dark pool, massive holy moly day ever. So I'm excited. We're going to be getting some really big moves soon, but be patient. So I'll give you the levels for today on the SPY. We're going to be bullish above 290. Thank you, Paul, for pointing out this trend line right here. This is key. It's trying to hold on to it on this daily chart. See that in black? Yeah, it's trying to hang on by its teeth. We're just right below the 4 and the 8. So that is bearish. We really need to go above here. All right, so I picked the 290 level. Yep. That's really key for me. That's a major level. I'll be bullish above there once again, but not right now. We're below all these levels. Bear below 286. If we do start to head down again, yep, look out below. Let's go to the E-minis. Yeah, we had a great trade yesterday at the bell on those SPY puts in the Java pit room. All right, E-minis, bullish above 28.82. And again, that's above the 8 EMA. Yeah, we might retrace. We kind of tried to do that earlier, hit a brick wall. Yep, but if we start to head down, bear below 28.60 for the E-minis. The Russell, very quiet on the dark pool front, but we had this, bearish engulfing candle pretty much yesterday. We're below the 4 and the 8. So we're going to only be bullish above 129. Yep, if it can go above, break through a brick wall. All right, if not, bear below 125. We did come down and hit this simple 20, this orange trend line right there, and the exponential 20. Yep, computers are loaded to buy there. So they took it down, they bought. The second time around, if they take it there and it can't hold, that's when we go down. So watch out for that today, okay? That's that entry for you. QQQ. All right, QQQ also had a bearish engulfing, came down to the 8 EMA and bounced. So today I'm going to be bullish above 225. That's a major level, $5 increments. Bear below 221. If it goes below the 8 EMA, look out below. My first target is around that 15 EMA. That's a really killer target if it does start to turn down. Let's go to the Nasdaq Futures. Nasdaq Futures, we're going to be bullish above 91.65 and bear below 9100. Yep, if it starts to turn down again, because you can see, it came down, came up and hit resistance. So you really want to short on the way down, not on the way up. Let's go to the oil futures. Just give me a moment to pull those on. Do I have a typo on my Nasdaq target? Thank you. Yeah, that's 9,200. Thank you for that. Appreciate that. Yep, I had a couple mistakes today. I'm human. Let's go to the oil futures. Okay, these guys. We're going to be bullish above 26. We came right up to it. Look at that big spike of volume. Wow, that's major. Yeah, so always bullish above that. And bearish below 25.50. Yeah, I was eyeing some earlier volume that we had, and you can see here this big spike. So, yeah, bearish below there. There's our first trade set up on the bear side. And if it goes below that, or if it goes above this big volume spike there, that is our long trade. Let's go to the gold futures. Big prints on gold. I'll go over that in a moment. Yesterday. Bullish above 1712. Up, we already went above that. Good thing I got this out to you early. Bear below 16.99 for gold. Let's go put this back. And let's go over the individual stocks. I got a lot of good stuff for you today to watch. Zillow. Yeah, it looks like Zillow came out with earnings, right? I think so. Bullish above 48.50. If it can climb above this 8 EMA, yeah, there could be a trade from here to here. That would be our first, the 8 to the 4 EMA. And then maybe possible retracement to person's pivots. Yep, if it can go higher. If it starts to turn down, bear below 46.25. Yeah, if it starts to go down through that level, look out below. So those are the trade setups. Apple. Yeah, Apple was hot yesterday. Wow. It came down and hit the 4 EMA and did a little bounce this morning. So if it goes below that 311, I will turn bearish on Apple, and bullish above 315. All right, it's got to break above that really big level for Apple. Let's go to Bank of America. Tons of prints on BAC. We're going to be bullish above 2280 and bear below 2180 for BAC. Let's go to GLD. Yeah, so we had some sell prints over here at 162, and we've had kind of buying at the 160 area, and it's been pretty much consolidating. Yep, and we kind of have this golden wedgie, yeah, pennant flag, whatever you want to call it. So really key, I'm going to be bullish above 162, more of a swing trade. All right, or it could be a day trade if it moves fast. You know, what's the difference between a day trade and a swing trade? Yeah, how fast it moves. And there are trades I put on for swings, and the trade happens during the day, and so it becomes a day trade. But they're really key levels. I just wanted to point out that 162 level because we had decent prints there, 161.95, 162. So there's kind of this really important key levels to watch when it comes to gold, waiting really patiently to see which way it goes. But in the meantime, massive, holy cow, holy moly prints on GLDM. Every time we get big prints on GLDM, we get big prints on gold. Okay, I'm not telling you to trade this. It moves slow, but just check it out. Last time we had a big spike right here, okay? We had a very big move. And we had some prints on IAU yesterday. Also, you know, there's definitely going to be a big move in gold. So we also have that same kind of, you know, pennant thing going on here. So watch this for levels. Again, I'd rather trade GLD or GDX, but watch 1720 bullish above and 1680 bearish below. That's why I put it here for the whispers for you on gold. GDX didn't have that much pre-market volume. Yeah, but 35 is a key level to watch. Yeah, bullish above for that. And bear below 33.75 for GDX. If you want to trade that. 33.75 versus 35, around that area. Let's go to SQ. Square. Yeah, dark pool, 75.95. Okay, yeah, we're right there, you guys. Yep, this is exciting. Is this a sell print at the top? Well, if it starts to drop below 74.80, I'm going to turn bearish. However, if it goes above 77, bullish. But 77.50 is really a major level, you guys, for swing trading. Yeah, if it closes above that, I could see 80, 82, 50, 85. All right, I like to be prepared on both sides. All right, and if it goes below the 4 EMA, there's a nice retracement trade going all the way down to possibly 70. That's a big print that we had on Square, okay? Let's go to these guys first. I almost passed out yesterday. Yep, I almost did. There were heavy prints coming in left and right during lunch yesterday. I didn't know what to do first. I was hyperventilating. Yeah, Sky SKYY, some of you probably never heard of this. I mean, what is going on? They were buying obviously here, right? And they're probably, I'm going to say, selling here. But I like to keep an open mind, even though this is a bearish engulfing massive 5.8 million print at 67.37. We are below it. Is this the splash? I don't know. Just follow the prints, okay? No thinking. Don't trade Sky Y, okay? Don't trade this thing. Trade the components that are inside of it. So if we go above it, all right, pick the strongest guy here and trade it. If we go below it, pick the weakest guy in all these. Amazon, Microsoft, VMware, Oracle, Google. You know, pick the weak one. But hold on a minute. We have another one on FDN. Yeah, this is First Trust DJ Dow Jones Internet Index Fund. So look at this though. We had two buy areas right here at the bottom. All right, that's that. Yep. We had a cup and handle. See that? Formation with massive buying at the bottom. So I don't know. What do you guys think? You think this is massive selling at the top? If you double these guys, you get this guy. And we have a bearish engulfing at the top. Yep, but follow the prints. Okay, they could splash a little while, but definitely worth watching. And again, trade one of the top components. I mapped out Facebook for you this morning because it had a lot of pre-market volume. These other guys did not have pre-market volume a lot yet. So I concentrated on the ones for day trading on pre-market volume. For swing trading, wait until the end of the day and see how it closes. But I definitely had to bring this to your attention. XLC, I did a video on this yesterday. Did you guys see that? Another one. Holy moly, 10 million prints. And again, we have the same situation. Heavy volume at the bottom and heavy volume at the top. It looks like a bearish engulfing again right here. All right. I like to combine everything. So we have top holdings again. Facebook is in there as well. So Facebook is in 2 out of 3 of these and has a lot of volume this morning, and the options are pretty good on that. So that would be probably one of my top picks to trade moving on in the future. Disney as well is in one of these, had pre-market volume, and I mapped out those trades for you. And Microsoft. All right, Microsoft, let's go on to that one because that one had a massive print yesterday and is also in one of these top 3 guys. So today, watch Microsoft. All right, going to be bullish above 186, and it just came down to the 8 EMA. If it can't hold the 8 EMA, all right, look out for Mr. Softy. Bear below 182.25. Let's go to Facebook. Facebook could do a face plant. Okay, we're going to be bullish above 215 for Facebook. That's only because we had some dark pool activity, not the biggest, but 214.85 was the biggest above us. And bear below 210. So the first trade would be a retracement down to the 8. It will most likely take a bounce. And then if it can't hold this, look out below. Oh yeah, there's like nothing going on until about that 202 area. So watch that for Facebook. Let's go to Disney. Disney's also in the top holding and had decent volume this morning. We have 2 sets of prints for Disney. We have a 104.91, which looks like selling, and we have $100 and about 15 or 16 cents. We had some buying here recently, so they bought here and then they sold a little bit higher. But this is definitely worth watching. Bull above 106.75. And bear below 104.25 to go down here. Let's go to Macy's. Macy's going out of business sale. Yeah, they are definitely not doing well. 5 is such a major level. A lot of pre-market volume this morning, 400,000. Yeah, which is unusual. So I'm going to be bearish if it goes below 5. I'm only going to be bullish above 560, above that 8 EMA. So I'm not crazy about the upside trade. Just really want you to watch that 5 level today, but I like to keep an open mind. So I try to put that bull above level for you. Still watching silver, by the way. Yep, could not close above 1450 yesterday. Today, if it closes above that, I love it for that swing trade. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for May 13th, 2020. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.